Happy second day of 2024, mga ka-G! Ginugunita natin ngayong araw sina Saint Basil the Great at Saint Gregory Nazianzen. Pareho silang matalino, naging obispo at doktor ng simbahan. At pareho din silang galing sa banal-banaling pamilya. Dahil dito, I'm sure they can easily draw people to themselves during their time. Pero hindi nila ginawa. Gaya ni John the Baptist, who was firm in saying that he is not the Christ, sina Saint Basil at Saint Gregory ay nanatili ring mapagpakumbaba even with their high intelligence. Ginamit nila ang biyaya ng katalinuhan at karunungan sa pagtatanggol sa katuruan ng simbahan tungkol sa banal na santatlo at sa pagka-Diyos ni Jesucristo. Sabi nga ni Saint Basil, "Much time had I spent in vanity and had wasted nearly all my youth in the vain labor which I underwent in acquiring the wisdom made foolish by God. Be wise and use your wisdom and other gifts to serve God in all humility." G ka ba?